everyone. Today we're going to be talking about analyzing geometric sequences. So last time we talked about arithmetic sequences, and we learned that those are sequences where there's a common difference. In other words, you are adding or subtracting the same number each time to get the next term in the sequence. A geometric sequence, on the other hand, is a sequence in which the ratio between consecutive terms is constant. So for example, we have 2, 4, 8, 16. Here I see to get to the next term, I'm multiplying by 2. And so that was what makes this a geometric sequence, that there is a constant ratio between terms. And the common ratio, which is denoted by r, is this constant ratio. So in this example, r would equal 2. So for these first set of examples, let's go ahead and practice determining whether each sequence is geometric or not. So number 1, I have 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, and so forth. And so an easy way to determine whether you're multiplying by the same number each time is to take the next term and divide it by the previous. So I want to take 12 and divide it by 6. And when I do that, I get 2. Then I'm going to take the third term and divide it by the second term. So I have 20 over 12, which when you simplify that equals 5/3. So automatically I can tell this is not a geometric sequence because this is not constant. It's not the same number each time. So the answer here would be not geometric. Okay, so look at the next one. Next one I have 256, 64, 16, 4, 1. So I want to take the second term and divide it by the first term. So I have 64 over 256, and when I simplify that, I get 1/4. Take the third term, divide it by the second. So I have 16 over 64, and I also get 1/4. And then continue that same manner, I have 4 over 16, which again equals 1/4, and then 1/4. And so here I see that I do have a constant ratio. So in this case, I am multiplying by 1/4 each time. And so since I'm multiplying by the same thing each time, this is geometric. And then looking at this last one, following in that same steps, I'm going to take the second term and divide it by the first, and I get -2. Third divided by the second, I get -2. 8 divided by -4, I get -2. And then -16 divided by 8, I also get -2. And so I am multiplying by -2 each time. And so since that is the same number, this is also geometric.